Yes. Welcome traders. If you're viewing this video, I guess you are a trader, or you're trying to learn how to trade forex, or at some point in time you consider trading, because I guess I'm going to talk about forex in this video. So currently, as you see my screen, guys, I am trading funded accounts. I've decided to give this year sort of a full funded trading year. I started trading around 2020, if I'm to recall, 2020. But of course, as we all know, this this thing called forex is not easy. Like, it's not easy for everyone. Huh? So what I'm saying is that I took a lot of time to find some consistency in my trading. It's like around 2022, I think I took the whole year without even trading. I think I'm going too fast anyway. Let me first get back to what I want to talk about. So in this video, guys, I want to talk about platform trading. So recently, I had a conversation with a friend who trades as well. I introduced him into forex. So this is a person who trades less than 100k most of the, I mean $100 most of the time. So in my head, I was like, why are you taking so long to accept to trade pro farms? You know, I've tried to educate this guy about pro farm trading, but this is someone who's so rigid, like trying to say pro farm doesn't work, it's a scam. But guess what, guys? People are cashing out of profit. This is the only way that you can use to get capital to fund your trading accounts. For example, you look at this account here. I have a 5k master account here. This is a master account, 5k master account, and I only bought it at $32. And guess what I did with the profit I withdrew? So because I was able to withdraw some profit from this account, let's check the payout. Where, yes, this is a reward. This is a payout that I received about a month ago, $142. But I was able to spend only $32. Guess what I used with these profits? These profits I went on to purchase a $25,000 account with this profit. So I've managed to scale myself from $32 to making $142 in profits. Then I used the same profits to purchase a $25,000 account. And the same $25,000 account is already in phase one in profits as well. If I took that account seriously within this past month, July month, I would be through with the 25k. But I had a couple of things to do within the July month that I wasn't able to trade consistently, like in that account. But I was able to trade my 5k master account, of which I would have gone very far if I take you through the trades that I missed. Not only missing, I came out early, and a lot happened, guys. Some trades I came out early. Some trades I wasn't able to hold my trades to take profit. Some trades I was able to come out of the correct trade and enter into the wrong trade, thinking it would be the right trade, and I end up losing. So I was able to fight with this account from a profitable position back to a drawdown. Then I had to come back again to a profitable position. As you can see, the account is currently in profit. So let's take a look at the 5k master account. So this is the 5k master account. This is the 5k master account. I bought this account on I got this account on May 19th, 2026. May 19th, 2026. And took at the time that I didn't trade this account. All these. So on June 1st, June 2nd is when I took the first trade. Yeah. Straight into drawdown. Right away. Straight into drawdown. Then I was able to get myself back up, $72 in profits, about 1% or 1.1%. Then I took a couple of days off being traded. So the patience that I'm using to trade this account is top. Like, I'm not rushing into trades with this platform trading. I'm treating it like a personal account, right? As you can see how patient I am with taking the trades. I get a profitable trade, I take it. Though it's not so much profits, but it's profits, right? The entire goal of this is to make profits, to make money. So as you can see, it's already up $72 on the 5K master. And then I took another trade, up 2%, 2.3%, $132 in profits. Let's run 152 in profits. And guess what? It was my payout date. I took a payout, have a certificate. Maybe I show you my certificate, competitions. Where do we see certificates? Certificates. These are my certificates, the payout certificates. This was phase 1, passed on July 17th. Was it the day I was given? This is July. No, this can be the May, July. This is phase 1. Congratulations. Phase 2. Congratulations. May 12th. Then March. Oh, this. What am I seeing? This is phase 1. On March 9th. That's when I passed phase 1 for that 5K. Then phase 2. I was able to pass phase 2 by May 12th. So from March 9th to May 12th, I passed phase 1 and phase 2. You can see the difference in the time that I took to pass phase 1 and phase 2. Mind you, I didn't buy this one account as one account. I had to buy 3 accounts, of which one passed, one straight away. You know what it is? Straight away failed. Then one account is still in phase 2. Currently, I'll show you that account. It's a 5K account as well. I bought 3 at the same time. I bought 3 accounts. That's the best way to do with these things, guys. If you can afford 3, 4, 5, 5K accounts, it's better than having a 110K account, right? It's better than having a 110K account. You can trade them with so much confidence, knowing that you're safe. You have a safe zone. You can play around within these. So I have 5K, 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 5K. If I'm down on this one account, I have a chance on another 2 accounts or 3 accounts. You know, that's how I play this game. So I bought 3, 1 straight down, 1 past phase 1 straight away. Then that phase 1, every time I get to phase 1 and phase 2, bro, I can't fail phase 2. It's tough, but I have to pass phase 2. So this is a phase 2 tick. Then congratulations. This must be a master account. July 17th. Don't know what this is, but anyway, this is a payout certificate, $142, of which I use this money to purchase my 25K account, which is right over here. This right over here is a 25K account, and I'm going to work my ass off to get this account funded to 25K. The entire goal by the end of the year is to only be funded 100K. That's me personally. My entire goal of the year is to be up to 100K in funding capital. That's a goal for 2026. 2027 is a whole big goal, bro. It's a whole big goal, bro. I'll be up to 500K to $1 million in funding capital. And if I can get funded, maximum allocation, funding pips, funded next, then maybe FTMO or Fiverr, one of the two, that would be the best. So you can start small. You can start small. You don't have to start big. Buying 100K. I had a call from one of the students telling me he wants to buy 100K, 50K. 50K understandable, but 100K, bro, we're putting out your $500 to buy for $100,000, you know, pro forma account. And this is money you can't afford to lose, right? What if anxiety kicks in? What if you get nervous? What if all these things play out and you lose your account? You're back to square one. So play around with the 5K, the 10K, you know, learn trading, master your art there, play around with a couple of them, buy 1, 2, 3, play around with them, master your art, master your trading, you know, strategy, practice patience, practice entries, practice getting out, like taking profits, practice putting your stop loss from the 5Ks and the 10Ks before you can upgrade into, you know, all the way to 100K. You can't jump all the way from 0 to 100K. That's a big ask. It's like taking a life capital of, let's say, $5,000 and giving to a newbie trader. You know, you start them small from a $10 account, $50, $100. They learn how to do risk management. They learn how to, handle emotions in trading. You know, so basically that is it. Um, yep. So this is the 5K account, master account, and currently it's in profits. I have 2 days left, which is a Monday. Today, as I speak, is a Monday. You can see my next reward is August 5th. And I fumbled so much on this account. So let me take you back to the journey. When I withdrew this account here, the account was reset back to $5,000. So let's see what happened. On 28th June, I took a trade. No, 30th June, I took a trade. I was up already 1%, 553, 5K. I was already $53 in profits. Then I took time off. Let's see, 64. On July 6th, 64, down 5K. That's a losing trade, down to 5K. Then what happened? We're back again, $20 up. Then we go back to 100K. And I took time off here to just, get some relief, because it was a very big painful loss here. Then I got back 5K. Then I took some time off from this account. And when I took some time off from this account, I think I was trading my personal account. And by the way, I trade with Xness, the best broker you can ever trade with. The link is in the description for you to trade, to register, and for mentorship. I haven't been doing mentorship like mentoring guys, but that's something I'm willing to start doing currently. I'll be mentoring guys who are willing to learn Forex. Learn Forex now as a new trader, as a young person in your 20s, in your 19s and 18s and 20s to 25. Learn Forex now. I started learning Forex when I was, I think, 23. Yes, I think 23. Learning, not making money, learning. Of course, I didn't have money. As a student from the university, I didn't have money, So I struggled for like 4 years here and there, trying to hustle, get money, deposit, lose, and stuff. It's a long thing. And by the way, this is not the first time I started doing pro farms. I started pro farms way in 2022 with my Forex, not my Forex fund. What do you call my Forex fund? It was my funded FX that came after and got banned. So there was my Forex fund. That's the pro farm I started doing pro farms with, the pro farm I started buying with, and they just vanished. But of course, I bought like 20 accounts of 5K, 10K, 5K, 10K. Okay, not 20, like somewhere around 10. Because I had so many accounts, I remember, but I didn't pass a single one. Most of them, I blew them in phase 2. Passed phase 1 quick, blew them in phase 2. And I first gave up on pro farms. I first built my personal capital, trading, personal capital. Then it's this year that I've decided to take this pro farm thing very seriously, because I realized I'm being left behind. Like I'm lagging behind so much, because personally I don't have a big trading capital. Like personally, like other traders I know, I don't. I have what is enough to make me money, some money, not a lot, just some money. But now I want to up my step. I've been staying behind, like lagging behind so much, because there is a way here in pro farm trading. There is a way, because I've seen lives change, people's lives change. Like I've seen people make a lot of capital from this and fund into their personal accounts. So I've decided to give this a go, like a serious go. Not that I'm going to buy 100K straight away. No, I want to also, as I give it a serious go, I want to give it like, started like from the smallest I can, like a 5K to 10. As you can see, I have a 5K funded. I'm going to withdraw, and I've withdrawn, and I'm going to withdraw. Now I'm up 25K, and it's already 4% up. I just need another 4%. That's about another $1,000 to get that phase 1 down, and up to phase 2. As that 25K gets to phase 2, I'll be making more money on this funded one. The other 5K you see right up there, this 5K is already in phase 2. I just haven't touched it yet, because I'm waiting for my perfect setup for me to get a trade. Like a one trade or two should be enough to make $200 of that 5K risking. I risk 2% every time I'm trading. I risk 2%. 2% of that, that's $100. So I risk $100 every trade. Even these ones I risk always $100, you know. Yep. So here, right here, this is the five. It was 5,000. Then I took a hit down, took another hit down. I struggled there. I took a hit down. Then I rose again back to 5K, willing to get back up. And that's when I been in a drawdown. But then finally I closed the trade at in profits because this was already about $78 in negative, almost hitting my stop loss. But immediately it got to some profits, then I closed, and that is where I closed this last week. Now tomorrow is a new week. Tomorrow is 4th. Today, Monday, is 4th. Then Monday is 3rd. Then tomorrow is 4th. I have 2 days before tomorrow, 1 p.m. I need to trade and make some money onto this $57. If I can get to like $150, that would be good. That would be good. Then I take that withdrawal, and that withdrawal will purchase me another 25K account. If I can have two 25K accounts, that's like 50K. And I have already this 5K in phase 2. If that can get funded within this week as well, so I have like two 5Ks funded, then I have 25K almost getting done phase 1. Then yeah, I'll be glad. So guys, basically I just want to start documenting my journey of this trading, proof of trading, and I'll be posting and updating this on my socials. I'm not currently on socials. Twitter has banned me. Maybe on Instagram, then I'll be uploading on Instagram. Maybe Instagram, maybe, and then YouTube. I basically want to focus on YouTube and give it a go. So this being my first major video on YouTube, if you're watching this, guys, leave it a like, subscribe, follow my trading journey as I go through this and show you that it is possible with as small as $36 by a 5K. Scale it up with the profits you make from that. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. The next update, maybe the day I'll be withdrawing this money. Yeah, I'll be dropping another video. Oh, I wanted to talk about the $25,000 account. Should I talk about this account? Should I talk about this account? Because this is 25 300, went down to drawdown, came back to 25K, stuck on the same price. Then I took one single trade, got 1%, 2%. Then I took another trade after how long? This was on 13th of July. Then I took another trade on 20th of July. That is a week after. Another hit that went straight to take profit. Until then, it's been from July 20th to August 2nd. I haven't taken any other trade. Because not that I didn't want to take the trade, but I've been doing something out of trading that took me out of my space. And I'm back full time here. And I'll be dropping these videos regularly. Tomorrow or tomorrow next, we should have another video like that, teaching, learning, doing analysis, dropping setups, and yes guys. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. My name is Calvin G Rogue. Peace.